Hello guys, welcome back to another video. It's been a while since I stopped. I'm gonna do a reviewing of my old Lego set. FNAF McFarlane toys. Yep. And that's with Freddy. I fixed him up. So here's him. Put some clay on him, so I can't find his own pieces. The sticker is wet and destroyed. Found the pieces, but not all the pieces. So yeah. Here's the back of it. It's clay on it. This much. Yeah. Some balloons. Here. Yeah. So gonna be reviewing my new Lego set with fun toy. Withered Chica. That's gonna be in another video. So thanks for the subscribes. I have 40. Yep. I think this is gonna be video marathon. Yep.